Downhill hiking generates impact forces up to 4 times your body weight per step, destroying more knees than uphill climbs ever will. It isn't just gravity hurting you. It is eccentric loading. Your muscles must lengthen while under tension to break your momentum. This friction creates micro-tears and joint stress significantly faster than the concentric motion of climbing up. The most dangerous instinct is leaning back away from the slope. This straightens your legs and transfers shock directly into the skeletal joint. Instead, hinge slightly at the hips to keep your center of gravity directly over your feet. Keep your knees universally soft, never fully locked out. You need to take shorter, quicker steps to reduce the impact force per stride. Think of flowing down the trail like water rather than stomping. Trekking poles are your suspension system. Lengthen them by 5 to 10 centimeters for the descent. Plant them ahead of you to catch your weight before your foot lands, transferring load from your knees to your upper body. On steep, direct descents, do not go straight down the fall line. Create your own mini switchbacks by zigzagging slightly across the available trail width. This effectively reduces the gradient angle and shear force on your cartilage. Preparation happens off the trail. Your quadriceps act as the primary brakes. You must strengthen them specifically with eccentric exercises like slow step downs, focusing entirely on the controlled lowering phase. Avoid striking hard on your heel. While it feels like a brake, it sends shockwaves up the shin. Aim for a flat, mid-foot landing to maximize surface friction and allow your arch to absorb the initial impact. Finally, resist the urge to rush just because gravity is assisting you. Kinetic energy increases with the square of your velocity. Slowing your descent by even 10% can reduce cumulative joint stress by thousands of pounds over a single mile. Protect your joints now to keep hiking for decades.